Good morning. We're at Atlanta Pizzeria this morning. We're going to try to do a Pesto Chicken Pizza. We're going to stretch the dough, insert it to this pan like this. You stretch it on the flat surface. Then we put our homemade pesto sauce that Mom has prepared for us today. You lay on top. Spread it all over. When you're done with that, you add some grated cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano, always wonderful when it comes to pizza. We're going to put some shredded mozzarella on top of this. Going across. Not too thick, but enough. Then we're going to shift over here. We have chicken already prepared with a pesto sauce. We're going. Remind you, my hands are clean. We're going to spread this on top. Spread this out. And then we're going to have some nice homemade fresh mozzarella. We're going to top it on top. It's always preference. Some people like more, some people like less. We're going to spice it up with a little grated cheese again. And voila! Put it right into the oven. See you in a couple minutes, we'll finish patting.